ESCO Security partnered with Dutch Valley Food Distributors to replace and expand their current fire alarm system. While their new addition was under construction, this was the perfect time for our installation technicians to install the new devices in the new building as well as the existing building. The fire alarm system will also monitor the new sprinkler system through supervisory and water flow switches. The water flow alarms will notify the fire department for automatic dispatch. ESCO Security also expanded the access control system to the new gates and trailer parking area. Dutch Valley Food Distributors is a trusted supplier of bulk foods for a variety of retail outlets in the United States. Their focus is set on delivering quality products at a good value while building long-lasting personal relationships with their customers and providing them with convenient services and top-notch solutions to meet their everyday business needs. In 1986, Dutch Valley Food Distributors moved to their current location just outside of Myerstown, PA. By adding an additional 77,300 square feet to their existing 200,000 square foot warehouse, this will eliminate third-party warehouse leases and the ability to add high-capacity 7-tier racking system. This will also help with distribution operations and storage and create a linear order selection path. Improvements were also made to the outside of the building to provide an efficient parking and staging area for the transportation equipment. Dutch Valley holds themselves to the highest standards of excellence by providing customers with quality products from trusted vendors and through services carried out by their attentive employees. Dutch Valley Food Distributors, sharing what's good